Koji, the invisible art that nurtures Japan's flavors and life. Hello, I'm Kaoru Koike. I teach cooking centered around fermentation and seasonal dietary practices. Today, I'd like to talk about the relationship between Japanese food culture and fermentation. What comes to mind when you hear Japanese food? Sushi, ramen, tempura, miso soup. All are beautiful dishes symbolizing Japan. Did you know there's one small element common to all of them? That element is koji. For over 1,300 years, koji has supported Japanese dining tables and health. Vinegar, soy sauce, miso, mirin, sake. Koji lives within the flavor of all these. Koji is made by cultivating a microorganism called koji mold on steamed rice. For the Japanese, rice is the sustenance of life. It is because of this rice that koji was born, giving rise to Japan's representative fermented culture: sake, miso, soy sauce, and more. Not causing decay, but guiding ripening and transformation through nature's power. That is the wisdom of Japanese fermentation. Japan's oldest myth, the Kojiki, tells how the sun goddess Amaterasu bestowed rice ears upon her grandson Ninigi, granting the Japanese people their sustenance of life. Rice is a gift from the gods. The Japanese have cherished rice cultivation, using its bounty to brew sake, create koji, and offer it to the gods, as both daily sustenance and a symbol of gratitude. Even today, Japanese homes have household shrines. Offered there are rice, salt, and sake. All of these, as blessings born from rice, have sustained Japanese life. Fermentation does more than deepen flavor. Processes akin to fermentation also occur within the human body. Hundreds of trillions of microorganisms live in the gut, supporting immunity and influencing mental and skin health. Miso, soy sauce, vinegar, and mirin made with koji increase beneficial bacteria and regulate the intestinal environment. This balances the entire body, supporting the foundation of energy and immunity. According to WHO statistics, the average Japanese lifespan is the world's longest. Behind this lies a culture of naturally consuming fermented foods daily at the dinner table. In other words, koji has supported the health and longevity of the Japanese people for 1,300 years. And now, koji is entering a new era. I wish to spread the wonderful health benefits of koji, not only within Japan, but also around the world. To achieve this, I am developing koji seasonings that can be used in international cuisines. For example, tomato koji. Koji's power draws out the umami of tomatoes, making it usable as a tomato sauce on its own, of course, but also adaptable to various dishes like shrimp chili or tandoori chicken. Onion koji. Through koji's action, onions transform into a deep, consomme-like umami, making it a versatile seasoning. Use it to marinate meat, in dressings, or widely in stir-fries. Salt koji. Salt koji is a versatile seasoning that enhances the natural umami of ingredients, while gently harmonizing the overall flavor. Used to season meat or fish, it results in tender, juicy dishes, and adds deep richness to grilled or simmered foods. It can also be applied to marinades, sauces, dressings, salads, and various other dishes. Koji has the ability to break down proteins into amino acids, tenderizing meat and fish while drawing out their umami. Its action of converting starch into glucose also enhances the natural sweetness of ingredients like potatoes and pumpkin. Additionally, koji is ideal for vegans and those with dairy allergies. It extracts rich umami from soy protein, creating a depth of flavor surpassing milk and dairy products. You can use it in various dishes like bagna korda, potage, and beef stroganoff. In 2023, my book Koji Fermented Cream and Fermented Sweets won the Grand Prix in the fermentation category at the Gourmand World Cookbook Awards. This book features recipes that recreate fresh cream using koji. Without dairy, it achieves a surprisingly delicate and rich flavor through koji's umami and natural sweetness. In short, koji is versatile enough for everything, from savory dishes to sweets, gently nurturing both body and soul. Koji is invisible art, l'art invisible. It symbolizes Japan's quiet beauty, born from the harmony of time, microorganisms, and human hands. It's not merely fermentation, but a profound dialogue between nature and humanity. Through food, it nurtures the body, heals the mind, and connects culture to the future. I believe that this humble koji will become a gentle light, illuminating tables not only in Japan, but around the world. Thank you for watching.